What's up YouTube, this is Jet from Pen and Journal. Welcome back to my channel. Got a great news to share with you guys about the Montblanc 146 that I shared previously. For those who are following my channel faithfully, you will know that my Montblanc 146 leaks like crazy. And a quick recap, back then when I got this pen, it's leaking from the piston area. And then once I fixed this issue, the leaks, I found out there are leaks that comes out from the grip section area, and it's just like a total disaster. And it feels like this pen cannot be salvaged, but good news, praise the Lord for His grace and goodness. I think the issues are all being settled. So what actually happens, by the way, I'll put the links in the description below to my previous video so you can take a look at what I have done to repair this 146. So apparently, right, the leaking from the piston area is because of a burred up piston stopper, right? The rubber part of the piston stopper is burred up, that's dinged up quite badly, and just using a bit of sandpaper, micro mesh, a bit of silicone grease solved the issue, right? That is the piston area. And then for the grip section area, apparently the grip feet, or rather the nib feet of my Montblanc 146, the sealant has already came off, and replacing, there's another O-ring that is missing inside there, replacing that with improvised O-ring made up of ink rubber sack that I done for a repair job for, I believe that is a Parker Duovac. I could be wrong, but nevertheless, after 2 months of continuously carrying this pen around with me in my trusty pen case, this is my pen case I've been carrying around, the Carco band. I'll do a review on this right in the future. Very reliable pen case. Writing with this pen, and also changing the ink, right? I change out the Pilot Black, and I have Noodler's Apache Sunset in this, and so far amazing, right? There is no leakage whatsoever. Amazing, 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 and I really thank God, right? No leaking whatsoever. This pen now is just amazing, right? And the beauty of that Noodler's Apache Sunset, the new ink that I put in, just look at the nib, right? You look at the nib, there's a little bit of that ink that is in the creases, in the scroll of the beautiful two-tone nib, and it's just gorgeous with the ebonite feet. This pen is now just solid. It is back to business for this pen, and to be honest, when the pen starts to leak like crazy, I have this notion that, oh gosh, I need to get rid of this pen. But right now, this pen is one of my favorite because it carries so much history, so much story, as in how I managed to so-called restore it. So praise the Lord for this. And I think beauty of this is that when you have a story to tell behind a pen, it becomes more memorable, it becomes more precious, it becomes more, what do you call it? It become your special pen, or become your favorite, right? So I think every pen carries a story, and this pen definitely carries a big story. And by the way, the nib previously is not working perfectly as well. There's a little bit of ink flow issues, and I need to do some alignment and some smoothing out the nib to get it right as it is right now. And right now it is just gorgeous, right? It is just gorgeous. And one thing I know about that is that the Pilot Black, with the Pilot Black ink, the line width is slightly thicker, but using a Noodler's Apache Sunset, somehow the line width is thinner, and that's something that I love. I love finer line widths, and right now this is like the perfect combination for this pen. It is just beautiful, and I just love how the Apache Sunset ink settle in the scroll work. It's such a beauty to behold. So for those who are interested in repairing their Montblanc 146 by themselves, right, you can check out my videos. Again, right, I won't take any ownership if you voided the warranty of the pen, get damaged whatsoever, but it works for me. For myself, I love to try things out in this manner, and I hope this blesses for those who are trying to figure out why there's leakage, especially in the grip section area. I think this is a common problem for the older Montblancs, the vintage ones, and well, once again, right, praise the Lord that this is restored, and I think this is good to go. It is my everyday carry. Love this pen. So if you have any comments, please comment below, like this video, share this video, subscribe if you haven't. It helps me out a lot in this channel. Thank you so much. Sorry for the rambling. I just want to have a little bit of update on this pen. Thank you all. God bless and have a good Christmas.